It's the weekend, guys, and let's keep it real. If we're not going to the movies to check out our movies, usually we're at the mall. Okay, usually we're at the mall. So anyways, I'm going to show you what I picked up from the mall. And of course, I went to my favorite store, Louis. All right, and I know I said it's my last bag for the year, but I had to get this one. So let's unbox this one together. I'm in love with this. So this is the Denim Fuchsia Baggy bag from Louis Vuitton's new collection that came out, I believe, last month. And they have it in blue, but let me put this. Thank God, while I was on vacation, I decided, you know what, let me try to call this a store to see if they have it there. They did not, but my sales associate at that store was able to ship it to my house, and I am ecstatic. It's giving me old school vintage piece. You have a nice, beautiful, thick leather handle, and when you open it, you have so much room. It's kind of slinky like. I'm not sure if I'm going to put organizer inside of here, but man, this pink is so poppy, so adorable, so girly. It's giving me Barbie vibes. And this is my first denim piece in my collection. I like that you have a zipper here in the front. You can put your little wallet and stuff like that, and nice and secure. You don't have to worry about it falling out because you have your zipper to protect you from people new to look at my bag. But this is so cute. If you are thinking whether or not you want to get a denim piece from Louis Vuitton, grab it because they're selling out fast, and the material was very nice and unique. Now, I would not use this as an everyday bag because I probably would be afraid of getting this dirty, but this is a classic, very stylish, and I also love the cute keychain. Has Louis Vuitton on it. It's giving me like 80s vibes, like Saved by the Bell kind of vibes. But I love this. It's adorable, but this is the Baggy bag. I know they have like a small nano speedy, but to me, I didn't want to get it this color in a nano speedy. I want to be like boom in your face kind of thing, like mwah, in your face. They do have a denim one like this, and they do have the Speedy 30, and they do have like a pretty green. I'm going to show you some pictures of the other pieces from the denim, but I'm happy I got my fuchsia, and it's out of stock right now, but I heard that they may be restocking around Memorial Day, so look out for that if this is something you're interested in. But yeah, this is a 10 out of 10. Nice and slinky, very vintage, very old school, very demure. I don't know what I just did, but 10 out of 10. I love it. But anyways, thank you for watching my unboxing, and I hope to come